Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing today? I hope good. Today I have a surprise. I was contacted about, we'll say a month ago, by Victoria's Moon Diamond Painting Shop, and they wanted me to do a review for one of their paintings. So that's what this is today. So we will see. This came by FedEx. So I'm not real clear if it was shipped from England or if it was shipped here in the United States. I didn't look up that information. I just love plastic bags. It has a black plastic trash bag, light material on it. Comes in a nice box. Box is a little scush, but I mean it's nothing real bad. Let's see if we can get this end open here. And I can't remember if I ordered round or square. Let me get them out of the way. Okay. Here's the drills. I did order square. Get this all out of this box here so I can get rid of the box. But it doesn't look, maybe a little crinkled on the edge, but nothing that bad. There's something rolling around inside. Okay, it comes, with an inventory sheet. Well, actually it's just a listing, and it is a 50 by 50. So we'll put that inventory sheet up there. Let's see what is in here. Oh, it all came out of its little thingy. Got one of the pins. Take that off. Has the small end, and then it has the wax tip. Oh, it's very beautiful. It's gorgeous. I have another one of those that I received from a friend. Let me put that back in here. It has its own little case. How nice. It's very nicely packaged. And then it has this thing that holds it in there, but I'm not gonna put that back together. Okay, let's look at crinkling. Look at all them beautiful colors. Oh dear, they'll be crinkling. Okay. I just wanted to get to the toolkit for right this second. Okay, it comes with a toolkit. Sorry, more crinkling. Let me open it. Hang on. Okay. Comes with wax. Looks like a piece of like double-sided tape in case there's some reason. Comes with pointy tweezers like you get from Evermoment. Those are nice. I love those tweezers. And it comes with, let me see if it says on there, it looks like it's about, oh, maybe a 7 placer, a squishy, and the pin. Let me put this all back so it doesn't get lost. And I did order a square. I wanted to see how, what their squares were like. So hang on, we're going to come back. Let me move everything out of my way. It does have an opaque covering. The back looks really good. Very nice. Okay, let's see. And of course this paper is all one sheet. I don't know that I can, let me look over here just a minute. And it looks to me like the key is on one side only. But you do have your list with all the symbols. It could be a little bit darker. You know, it's like real light and faint. It's not like I can't see the you know, the symbols. And I'll bring this up and show you. Looks pretty clear to me. A lot of confetti. Here it has 30 colors. And it is very sticky. And the glue extends maybe a 1/4 inch here, but it's real even right here. It's like even with the picture on this side. So we will just I know I'm going sideways, but oh well. Ugh, very sticky. And I'll bring the picture up. It is the 3 rocks with some flowers behind it. I'm assuming that they're lotus flowers. And I don't see any wrinkles. This is just like a little tiny itty bitty crease, but that doesn't affect the diamond painting. I don't see. There is one slight little bubble right there, but it pushes right back down. Oop. I pushed it. It's been a while since I've had one of these opaque covers. Okay, turn it around and we'll get this side. The glue is a 1/4 inch on this side as well, but it's like maybe 1/8 of an inch over the picture on this side. But I'm really impressed with the canvas. As far as being clear, no bubbles, no wrinkles. That's nice. There we go. And it's just kind of wrinkled on the edge, but there's nothing wrong with this canvas. I don't see any bubbles, no rivers. Oh God, don't get on there, please. Have you ever had that plastic stick to, oh geez, it's fun. Just fun, 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 fun. Okay, I'm going to pause this and open it all the way up, and that way you can see the picture. Hang on just a second. Alright, I'm back. And hopefully you can see where the rocks are here. And then I don't know, I think it's an orchid that's up there. But yeah, it's a big painting. And of course, did you see I took the actual cover off? Oh yeah, that's so special. Yeah. But it looks really good. And the overage seems to be about a 1/4 inch, and it comes down here, of the glue that is. And it has a 1/4 inch, and then it's like barely nothing at the top. I mean on glue. So that's not so bad. Hang on just a second. Alright, I'm back. Yes, I did get that cover on. Thank God it was, you know, that was almost a godsend that it was all in one color. Okay, let's look at these drills. Aren't they beautiful colors? Love the pinks and the fuchsias. Okay. Each bag has the number that, you know, corresponds with your key, and the DMC number, and then how much it weighs. So they're by weight. And like I said, there are 30 colors. So 1, what I'll do is pause you and put these all in order, and then you can see all the pretty colors. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and here are all the colors. Whoops, sorry, my bad. They're just beautiful, and the drills and the drill quality is really nice, and I like all the colors. Pinks, purples, fuchsias, magentas. There are some grays, and of course this is all the 310s that's in there. And some no, that's not brown, that's 154. It's so dark a purple you really can't tell. It looks like brown. I don't think there's any no, I thought maybe there was 3771, that dark brown. Alright, let's measure this. Hang on. Okay, let's measure this. The edge of the canvas is right there. And it is 50 across. And oh, here we go. And 50. So that the 50 by 50 is actually the size of the canvas, which is nice. I appreciate that. And let's see, did I mention anything else? I will put a link to where you can get this one, and also there will be a discount coupon in the description. I wanted you to know that I did order this on the 29th and I received it on the 16th. And let's see, received of this month, that is. And like I said, I'm not sure. This will need to be pushed down a little bit. It's got some bubbles in it, only just because I had to put it back on there. I'm lucky I got it all back on there. Maybe, I don't know. I might, I'm not sure if I put the parchment paper on it, because this is a nice big sheet and I can just cut sections like I normally do on these. It just needs to be laid down a little bit flatter. It's got some air bubbles in it, but the air bubbles are not on the canvas, so I am very happy about that. There's some confetti in there, and it'll probably take my what do you call it, my light pad to do it, but I'm used to that, so that will be cool. Can't wait to start this. Look, it's so pretty. Just love all them colors. Alright, did I mention everything? Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good day and enjoy. Bye bye. God bless.